Let's add some copper foil to beveled glass today, because we need to talk through some things. Your boy picked up a new trick when working with beveled glass, so I thought I'd share. Nothing world-shattering, you're not going to rest any easier, but just a little nugget of information to stow away for a rainy day. Because these glass pieces are beveled, the edges are way thinner than the rest of the glass I work with the backside being flush and the front side, well, being angled. I normally foil with the front side facing out, which allows me to see how much foil will be hanging over the edge once it's folded over. That's really hard to do with super clear, shiny beveled glass. It felt like I was in a hall of mirrors at the carnival. And don't even get me started on carny folk. Small hands, smell like cabbage. Austin Powers, what's up? So what's my solution? You ready for this? Flip the piece over in my hands. Look out, world. We're breaking down barriers over here. But foiling from the backside gives us the flat back we need to not get cross-eyed and still understand how much foil is getting folded over. Super simple, but also super effective at getting more consistent foiling. On another note, I know it's bathing suit season, but I've decided to go au naturel for this project and not use patina to blacken the solder lines. Wait, what were you thinking I meant? Anyways, we're applying silver-backed copper foil to these pieces, but my inventory is running a bit low and I don't have enough for all of the pieces. So I decided to triage the project and only apply the silver-backed foil to the transparent glass. This way, the silver backing can be seen through the transparent glass and help blend in with the shiny metal solder lines. But for the opaque white glass, it doesn't really matter because you're not going to be able to see it through the glass anyways. So I just used whatever foil I wanted. It's my foil and I need it now. JG Wentworth, what's up? Bonus points if you remember the phone number, so add it to the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art. Get created one process at a time with tips, tricks, and random movie quotes added into the mix that just never get old. 877 cash now.